In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to email on Constant Contact email. To begin, open your email in the Constant Contact editor so you can see the layout you are working on. Adding video in Constant Contact is done using a dedicated video block. This does not embed a playable video directly inside most inboxes. Instead, it creates a video thumbnail image with a play button that links to your video online. This is important because many email providers restrict true video playback for security and performance reasons. Using the video block is the reliable way to share video and keep your email looking clean and professional. Now, look to the left side of the editor where your content blocks are listed. Find the video block and drag it from the left panel into your email. As you drag, place it exactly where you want the video to appear, such as under your headline, below a paragraph, or above a call to action section. Take a moment to position it carefully so it fits the flow of your message and feels natural to read. Once the video block is in your email, click directly on that block to select it. When it is selected, choose Edit. This opens the settings where you will connect the block to your video. Next, paste the URL to your video. Constant Contact supports links from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, so copy the full web address from one of those platforms and paste it into the URL field. For best results, make sure the link is correct and public so anyone who receives your email can open it without needing special permissions. After you paste the link, click Insert. Constant Contact will generate the video preview for you, typically showing a thumbnail with a play icon. This gives readers a clear visual cue that the image is a video, and it encourages clicks. Before you finish, it is a good idea to preview your email to confirm the thumbnail displays properly and the link opens the correct video. If anything looks off, go back into Edit and recheck the URL. And that is all there is to it.